Hi guys, guess what? I am making a course all about flute and guitar pedals. So if you've ever wondered how I make my flute sound like this, or this, or any of the other crazy sounds you may have heard in some of my music videos, then this is the course for you. If you would like access to this course before the general public, then you need to join the email waiting list. There's a link down in the description below. As part of a member of the email waiting list, you will of course get access before everyone else, but you'll also get input into things in the course that work really well, things that could be made better, and there will be other sorts of like exclusive offers and all this behind the scenes stuff that is only available to those on the list, which is free to join. So like to not join it would be totally crazy. I know if someone was making this course and I was interested, I would totally be on the list. Anyhow, check out the link down below and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. See ya!